About 3 years ago was when I first came to Smilemakers. That was a recommendation from my partner. I've had pretty much everything done, from standard fillings to root canal, extensive tooth removal and new plates fitted upper and lower jaw. The root canal treatment was better than I thought. You hear a lot of horror stories from people about how bad it is, and not being a very good patient at the best of times, it was nowhere near as bad as I thought it was going to be. After the treatment, for about the first 4 or 5 days, it was a bit tender and I didn't really know how it was going to pan out. But after about a week, it was fine and just felt like a normal tooth. Things I didn't like about my smile were the fact that my teeth were in very bad condition. I'd spent a lot of years not being particularly hygienic, as in going to the dentist due to childhood problems. So after sort of many years of having bad teeth and trying not to smile and not having your photograph taken, it was time to make a change. I can't rate Smilemakers enough. I know it sounds like a bit of a cliche, but for me, the service and the people that work here, brilliant. It's quite a calming place in Smilemakers when you walk through the door. And on top of that, the staff they're very considerate towards your feelings. I explained that I was a really bad patient when I first came here. Everything they've done was talked through before anything was done to make sure I was okay, that I wasn't in pain, did I need to stop. Everything from start to finish was just spoken about. As regards payment for my upper and lower plate, it was all discussed beforehand. I knew exactly what was going to be paid, when it was going to be paid, and for how long it was going to be paid. There was never an issue. The best part of my experience was being able to walk out of here confident enough, knowing that I could smile like a normal person, not having to hide away. It's brilliant. The plates I've got, again, it was spoken about the options that were available to me, and I went for the metal plates because they're a lot more less intrusive. I think it took me about 3 weeks to be completely comfortable with them, get them settled in. Now I don't even notice they're there but just carry on a daily routine and away you go. The Smilemakers have done me proud. They've taken a very bad patient. Now I'm quite happy to walk in the door. I'll go and sit upstairs, straight in the chair. Whatever needs doing gets done, and I'm off out the door. So yes, I'd recommend Smilemakers to anybody.